What if you could handle most of your daily commute on electric power alone, saving big at the pump, without giving up the fun-to-drive feel Mazda is known for? The 2026 CX-90 PHEV promises up to 26 miles of electric range and 323 horsepower, but does it deliver real cost savings for American families? Welcome to AeroNext Auto, where we break down the cars that matter for real-world ownership. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Mazda CX-90 PHEV, a three-row plug-in hybrid that's turning heads with its blend of luxury vibes, sporty handling, and electrified efficiency. If you're cross-shopping family SUVs and wondering if this Mazda can compete with the usual suspects, stick around as we cover everything from electric range to long-haul value. The CX-90 PHEV stands out in the crowded three-row SUV segment by bringing Mazda's signature rear-biased all-wheel drive dynamics to a plug-in hybrid setup. Under the hood, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder pairs with an electric motor for 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, enough to feel quicker than many gas-only rivals, especially off the line. The 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery delivers an EPA-estimated 26 miles of electric-only range, perfect for short commutes or errands around town without firing up the gas engine. In real-world mixed driving, owners report seamless transitions and combined efficiency that can hit impressive MPGe figures when you plug in regularly. Inside, the cabin feels upscale with premium materials, available Nappa leather, and a quiet ride that rivals higher-end brands. The second row offers good space for adults, while the third row works best for kids or occasional use. Handling shines here. Mazda's tuning keeps it agile despite the size, with responsive steering that makes it more engaging than bulkier competitors. Standard safety tech like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise add peace of mind for family hauls. For 2026, updates include more standard features across trims like ventilated seats and heated steering wheel, enhancing the premium ownership experience. Pricing addresses the big fear. Is this PHEV worth the premium over a regular gas SUV? The 2026 Mazda CX-90 PHEV starts at $50,495 USD for the preferred trim plus destination, climbing to $55,300 for Premium Sport and $58,500 for the loaded Premium Plus. These figures position it as an accessible entry into near-luxury territory, especially when you factor in potential fuel savings from electric driving. Higher trims justify the jump with extras like 21-inch wheels, advanced safety aids, and more refined interior touches. Real-world U.S. buyers often see it as a value play against pricier luxury PHEVs, with strong resale potential thanks to Mazda's reliability reputation. Canadian pricing may vary slightly in CAD equivalents. The 2026 Mazda CX-90 PHEV nails the balance of efficiency, performance, and premium feel for families who want more than just basic transportation. If your drives include short electric-friendly trips with occasional longer hauls, it could save you money while delivering smiles on the road. Drop a comment. Would you go PHEV for your next family SUV? Like and subscribe to AeroNext Auto for more honest breakdowns, and we'll see you in the next one.